A new day, a new project. Look what I found. Really nice and interesting microphones. That's from Hama. And the price was really nice. Around €2 for one of these, of course. And also I found a 3-meter audio extension. This is 3.5 mini plug in stereo, this kind. And the microphone fits perfect in here. So because this is very flexible, you see, you can fix it in your right position. It can be used like a lavalier. It can be used like a casket microphone attached to spectacles and so on. And I was thinking, why not? Maybe it's time to give a try to this kind of microphones. And the final result is obviously something like this. All we have to do is to fix this to a proper clamp, and I use this one from, if you remember, those kind of tag holders when you have conferences and all this kind of stuff, you know, ID holders. And I attached that very easy with a couple of straps. And now I'll switch to the new microphone, by the way. So this is going to my microphone input right here into my Sony camera. This is AX33. Okay, so here we are with the new microphone. As you can see, it's very easy to be attached to the spectacles. I love this way. It's nice and stable. And there is a mark here that means the front of the microphone, right here. And now if I'm going like this near the mouth, you see that? I can have different angles approaching to the mouth and stuff like this. You got it? What I found different about this microphone, by the way, this is my do-it-yourself microphone. I've been using this for months already. So this is just a simple electret. I recovered this from an old cassette recorder or something. It's a Panasonic. Okay, I didn't mean that the sound was bad. No, not at all. But I can feel a kind of difference between this one and the other one. First of all, for using this kind of microphone, once again, this is an electret microphone from Hama. And what I found is that you need more gain for this. But the results are much better. Low distortion, you can feel it already, and a little bit more high frequencies. By the way, I didn't use any kind of equalizing or compressing or anything at all. It's just pure sound from the microphone. Like I said, really nice, an interesting project, very easy to be done, save you some money. Of course, they are cheap, but as long as I have the parts. Oh, by the way, the cable, this extension audio cable was very cheap too, like 1.5 euros or something, 3 meters, properly shielded. This is very important. Look at this piece of wire here. I don't even think it's shielded, and I had some hum problems before. But this one, this is properly shielded. Okay, so finally, if you are in need of a close-up microphone, a lavalier microphone, and even a desktop microphone, why not? Because this can be put in a proper position on the desk and used like internet microphone, you know, voice IP and stuff like this. And I really recommend it. This is Hama 0057152. Very cheap. Okay guys, that's it for today. I hope it's useful. Please like and subscribe, and don't forget to have fun. Bye bye.